got a big show tonight, and we got to talk about this right up front. Folks, as you probably all know, you read about it in the paper, it's a pretty famous event. The annual Westminster Dog Show came to town last week, and it is the world's greatest dog showcase. So we, late night, we naturally wanted to cover this event.
Right.
We thought we got to send somebody over there and cover this event. And we started thinking, who better to send as correspondent than a very talented dog that we first discovered at Westminster? That's right. Remember about a couple years ago we found him?
Absolutely. How could I forget?
Folks, he's an insult comic whose humor has swept the nation. So let's enjoy this report at Westminster, filed by Triumph, the insult comic dog.
The triumph and majesty that is Westminster. Every dog is here, yes. Every slutty animal that ever humped its way to the top is represented at Westminster. It's truly the granddaddy of all dog shows. For me to poop on. Yes, it's not about talent here at Westminster. It's all who you hump. And here at Westminster, all the dogs have humped their way to the top. You're in my shot. You're in. Lady, please. Could you move your fat... God. Next time, move your fat ass. Sit down. Are we rolling? Okay. It's all about... They've all humped their way to the top, these odds. They've humped their way to the top. And there's one man they've all had to hump. That guy over there. His name is Joe Westminster. A wild man whose cool demeanor and pull up his ass belies his intense deviant masculinity. Here's last year's winner of the West Highland White Terrier competition. I stooped her. I remember this area very well, let's put it that way. This is the English Toy Spaniel winner from last year. I banged her. It was good. Well, she liked to pee on me. It was quite unusual, but you know what? A gentleman doesn't tell tales out of school. But she peed on me. She enjoyed it. This is last year's champion Maltese. Few dog enthusiasts know about it, but Malteses are the horniest bitches in all of dogland. Believe me. Tickle me silly? She tickled me silly, my friend. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
What are you doing after the show?
None of your business.
Oh, yes, it is.
I remember you, you filthy little whore. I ripped that bow off her forehead once. She enjoyed it. She likes it hard. This is last year's toy group champ. It's a Japanese chin. Me so horny. Get it? Japan, you know, the war. Whatever.
Look, I've got a son here. Would you mind if... Why can't he be in the show? He's much more talented than these so-called blue-blooded dogs. Take a look.
This, Father?
Go for it.
Father, am I doing well?
Faster!
I'm trying,
This
Father.
isn't-
Faster!
I can't go
May I
faster.
speak now?
Yes.
This is not a show for trick dogs. This is a show for dogs of good parentage that can become good parents.
I want to go to college.
Maybe it's a trick show for wastes of space.
What?
That's what you are.
You suck, German Shepherd. Pekingese. You suck. My son could kick your ass. Who did you hump to get in here? Right now, a short-haired pointer is running around like an idiot. Hey, you're in my shot. Oh, yeah. Finally, some excitement in here. Everybody in this arena wants to run onto the floor and smell that poop. This is Champion Cahoots, last year's winner in the category of Beagle not exceeding 13 inches. Don't worry, bud. You don't exceed 13 inches. I do. All right, this is Josephine here. She's a bearded collie, kind of like a real collie, you know, just like Lassie, who, by the way, is queer. Anyway, I assume this is not a boy, it's a girl, yes?
Oh, yes, it's a bitch.
A bitch. I know I'm a dog, but I never get tired of it. You're a bitch. All right, I'm here with Siegfried, a dachshund, the only dog that's actually shaped like poop. And she is a...
Old English sheepdog.
sheepdog, yes, like the Shaggy DA.
Right.
Who, by the way, is queer. He is. May I demonstrate how these animals are judged?
Yes. Yes.
Lovely bouquet. Oh, come on, baby. Here we go. All right. You know you want it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, good. All right. Okay, here's where I make my move. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. No, everything's fine. All right. Okay. Nothing. I was just checking you out. You're good. Okay, done. I finished. Westminster's decision. No, they can't throw us out.
Why?
That's bullshit. No, you keep the camera rolling. Look, Chubby, don't mess with me. I know Conan O'Brien. He could have all of you killed. But damn it, Conan O'Brien's the biggest entertainer in the world. For me to poop on!
Thank you, Triumph. That was helpful. All right, folks, we're going to take a break. When we come back, Andy Garcia's here. It's going to be a terrific show.
For me to poop on!